Hello everybody, and welcome once again to our series of tutorials regarding Excel. This time we're going to discuss about the COUNTIF and COUNTIF's function. So what does COUNTIF functions do? As the name implies, it will count whatever you want it to be counted. So right now, still I have here my ledger. Gigamit ako gayon na. So what we're going to do is that we're going to count for our first example, we're going to count the number of persons that has tuitions. Na tuition. Okay? So dire na to naibutang ha. So ang answer is 4. Actually, ang answer is 4. Then we try to figure out how did I arrive with that answer. So here, it says that count the number of persons that has tuitions. So dito sa tuition, dire ano? Tuition na ra. So nara ini. So iyang ipang count is kini 1 2 3 4. Mobita ng 4 na komputer. Diya. Okay. So ana. So what are we going to do? This time we're going to use the more functions. Try na to read. Then we have here the statistical. And then try to look for the count if. Count if here. This one. Okay, count if. Okay. So the range is kanina ikuan tuition. This is our range. This one here. Click and drag. Okay. Then ang criteria is greater than 0. Kaya naman siya tuition. Okay, so greater than 0. Then click okay. Yan. So right now we have here 4. So sakto ang atong solution 4. If we are going to count 1 2 3 4. So ang atong solution is sakto. Then we have here the COUNTIF's function. So ang COUNTIF function, just like sa COUNTIF, ang COUNTIF mo good, we only have one criteria. While ang COUNTIF's has multiple criteria. Okay? So example, here, count the number of persons that has tuitions, the same, pero napod siya cash advances or CA. So dapat ang para mo qualify siya, dapat ang kanang person na siya tuition, kadi upat, kada. Then napod siya cash advances. CA, kini siya, CA na. Ang mo qualify is tulo. So kani siya nga person kana. That's why here ang nakabutang dia is 3. Okay, so here. Yun sa po na. The same, we're going to use the COUNTIF's function. Dire ya punta. More functions is statistical, and we try to look for the COUNTIF's with S na. Yan, kana. Then criteria nato is na tuition. Okay, criteria 1, na siya tuition. Yan. Ayan, this is our range. So, niya, criteria 1 is greater than 0. Then second criteria or criteria range 2, we're going to use the CA kana drag up muna diha, and then criteria 2 niya is greater than 0. Now, this one here, ang criteria range na to para sa range 1 para sa tuition, kani siya mo ni atong ibutang dire is greater than 0 pa kay meaning to say na ay tuition yung gibayaran. Okay, kay kung 0 na wala siya gibayaran. Then for our criteria range 2, this one here kini na CA kana ang iyang criteria is greater than 0 gyapon, meaning to say nga na siya gi CA nga na siya amount nga gi CA. Kay kung 0 na siya wala siya gi CA. Okay, so wala. So natay resulta diri nga 3. Pag-i-click na to na is 3. Because if we are going to check kanaraw, sakto nga itong solution, then if we are going to check here, na isa, na siya tuition, na siya CA, ikaduha, na siya tuition, na siya CA, ikatulo, na siya tuition, na siya CA. So, kana po nga 3 ang answer. Okay? So, I hope nasabtan to. luck, and God bless.